All right, today is Tuesday. We are on our way to Saddle River for the midday shoot. See what they got going on. We'll be shooting the Staccato P. See how we do with that. We had a good turnout last time. Well, not turnout, we had a good performance. So I'm hoping for another good performance, or probably want to say a repeat performance, and see how we do. We're just leaving the house, headed there. I'm gonna try to stop at Chick-fil-A and get me something to eat so I don't pass out while I'm trying to shoot from having a low blood sugar. But we are on our way there now to Saddle River over in Magnolia. I don't know how many people are gonna show up for this midday shoot because this is literally midday, 11 till 1. I don't know about this. We shall see. See you on the inside. That's a long way to run. Okay. That's a long way to run, but I'm gonna have to do it. Gotta do it.
Just about easy and clear shots.
So we'll go that way first. Just don't get caught up. Toes are just on it, Glenn.
Yeah, toes touching the green stick, wrist below belt.
Okay.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, slide down, hammer down, holster. We are clear.
Oh, no, I got him.
1764. Got it. Here we go.
I can't tell if that's a me or what. What is that?
Scorekeeper, 2 deltas.
2 delta.
Alpha, Charlie, no shoot.
Charlie, no shoot.
Is that a staple or an old thing?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
that's not a hole.
I was like, what?
2 alpha.
That is a hole.
I know.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
I only sent 3 rounds, so this can't be me at the bottom. I only sent 3.
Oh no, that's not a hole.
That's somebody else. That's what I thought.
Charlie.
2 Charlie.
2 more Charlies.
2 Charlie.
Yeah, that's about how I do.
And 2 alphas.
I was trying to stay to get him, and I got him twice.
Taper.
Guys, it's Kate.
Everybody can take.
I ripped that thing off.
Alright, fire's up.
Just in your box anywhere, huh?
Anywhere in the box.
It just was not.
Make ready.
Not feeding, not feeding.
Yeah. That's what we did. That's pretty small.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Are you ready? Stand by.
That's probably where you're gonna need it.
Ow.
If you're finished, slide down, hammer down, holster it. We are clear. Scorekeep, 2-1. 1-2.
2-1-1-2.
Oh, God.
Which target do you have so far?
No. Nice try. No.
3 alphas.
No, this will be 2 alphas, 1 Charlie. This will be 3 alphas.
Got it.
Is it the pad talking?
Yes. I thought I was tripping.
2 alpha.
2 alphas.
2 alpha.
Out Charlie.
No.
Since I fucked this stage
Alpha
up.
Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
2 Charlies.
2 Charlie.
2 alpha.
So since I fucked the stage up, you feel you had time to go slow and get all out.
I should have. Where am I, son?
Someone needs,
I'll take that.
someone need help on it.
How many shots was that?
Set it up so it doesn't collapse.
20. Ooh, I was right on the bubble. Oh, still recording. Oh, that's no Mozambique. We should be good. I'm stopping there first. Oh, brain fart.
Then you clear that out. Lie it down, hammer it down, holster. Now lay it down.
I wanted to be too high speed. I was ready to go.
All right.
Center.
Get your head straight.
Yep. Hands aside. All right, it's screwed on now.
You're in case ready. Stand by. Lock it down. We are clear. 185.
Woo! 1-8. I'll take it. Ow, that
Here
hurt.
we go. 2 Charlie.
2 Charlie.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha. 2 Charlie.
2 Charlie.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2 Alpha.
2.
Oh, my back.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
2 Charlies.
2 Charlie.
And 2 Alpha.
I learned what you said. Just go ahead and take the Charlies and keep the speed. Instead of trying to slow down the aim, just take the Charlies and run.
Let's kick these up.
All right, we did good today. Over here at good old Saddle River, I won the match. I think I won a couple of stages, a couple of stage wins. Only thing I messed up on, I had a no shoot on the first stage. That made my hit factor take a little dip in my scoring. But other than that, today was a good day. I'll take it.